COVID-19 vaccine distribution. It can be boiled down to this. Those facing greater consequences after infection get it first. But an effort in Dallas County that seemed to bolster that idea
We've all been burned. Each of the commissioners have been burned by Judge Jenkins.
is now dead in the water.
But we cannot shut out the vulnerable anywhere.
On Tuesday, county commissioners approved a vaccination plan that would prioritize rollout at its Fair Park location for people in these 11 zip codes who qualify to get a shot right now. They were labeled the most vulnerable areas, consisting mostly of Black and Latino neighborhoods. Commissioner J.J. Koch spearheaded everything, saying it was needed after data showed that mostly affluent parts of Dallas County were utilizing Fair Park.
What had happened in the prior week was absolutely a failure of good government.
But County Judge Clay Jenkins feared the plan violated state guidance. He voted against it.
It restricted the vaccine to only a few zip codes and shut out other zip codes.
Jenkins also sent this letter Wednesday informing the state's health department about what the county was planning to do, and an ultimatum from the state quickly followed. Rescind the plan or vaccine doses will be canceled or limited.
They made it clear they wanted it rescinded. The commissioners listened and rescinded it.
After a fiery emergency meeting, plan was rescinded and is no more.
He was trying to grab a cudgel as best he could.
Koch said Jenkins tattled on the county by writing his letter. Jenkins refuted that, saying commissioners should focus on a rollout plan that the state can get behind.
Commissioner Koch just doesn't understand that the state is well aware of what is happening with their precious vaccine. And no one had to tattle on him for what he did.
And Matt joins us now. Matt, the fighting isn't just with the county and the state. There's also some tension between Dallas city leaders, too.
Yes, Cynthia, it's been an interesting day. 5 council members representing what they call hard-to-reach populations requested from T.C. Broadnax, the city manager here in Dallas, staff and support to possibly go into their districts and create vaccination registration hubs to guide and help those people in those areas. But in a letter from Mayor Eric Johnson to T.C. Broadnax, he told the city manager to disregard those requests, adding that data proving a lack of signups should support them first. He then called out those council members, saying their requests for registration hubs in their districts are politically driven and that they're all about trying to get them reelected. Cynthia.
All right. Thank you, Matt.